Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness tabled a new policy to improve access to the country's beaches in the House of Representatives yesterday. In the meantime, the parliamentary opposition has welcomed several key initiatives announced by Dr. Holness. More in this report.
Jamaica is surrounded by sea, but for many citizens, getting to the beach is becoming harder than ever. Step by step, access is disappearing. From hotel developments along the coast to roads moved further inlands. And the reality is, there's no automatic right for Jamaicans to access the foreshore except for fishing and navigation. Where public beaches do exist, many are struggling, poorly maintained, and underfunded. The complaints are growing louder about limited access points and entry fees.
All we can ever get about beach access are promises. All we can even get for these brethren who have used in these spaces always promises that we're going to open up, things are going to be better, and you should wait.
No, a new beach access and management policy is promising to turn the tide, expanding access, improving conditions, and strengthening public rights to the beach. This was Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness during his budget debate on Thursday.
Madam Speaker, we want to once and for all end any ambiguity, dispute, or any view that Jamaicans are being dispossessed and disconnected from accessing their beaches. Today I am tabling Jamaica's new beach access policy. The Beach Control Act of 1956 and its amendments in 1973 did not adequately address beach access issues and will have to be replaced, and the new policy is the first step in that direction.
Mr. Holness says the new policy also addresses man-made or constructed beaches.
At the time of the 1956 Act, man-made beaches were not contemplated. I mean, obviously man-made beaches have been around a long time, but it was contemplated as an endeavor in Jamaica. I think now we have to integrate that into a new framework of managing our beaches. So the policy, Madam Speaker, affirms government's commitment to ensuring that Jamaicans have access to their natural public assets in an orderly, safe, equitable, and sustainable way.
In the meantime, the parliamentary opposition has welcomed several key initiatives announced by Dr. Holness to include reforms to expand public access to Jamaica's beaches. Spokesperson on Housing and Sustainable Living, Senator Professor Floyd Morris, says the policies which were advanced by the PNP in its 2025 Mission Jamaica Love Manifesto are now shaping national action. Senator Professor Morris says it's important that the assets of the nation benefit the people.
We believe that our people must gain access to the beaches because that is a part of the asset of the country that all our citizens must